In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off a one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then look for one-handed mode shortcut, which is this one, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after a few seconds, one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon of one-handed mode located on the right or on the left. If you want to go back to standard size screen, you can either click on this X or tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!